Hi, I'm Tim Weatherford, lead instructor from Tulsa Welding School, and today we're going to talk about a few different acronyms that we use in the field or in welding. One of them is SMAW, if you've ever heard of that, or you may not have. You probably heard it called stick welding, which is just using a regular stick electrode, for a welding process. Other things you may have heard is MIG welding, okay? Well, MIG welding, it's going to be metal inert gas welding, which is just going to be wire welding. So it's really linked in with flux core welding. Flux core is another type of wire that you could use. They have, self-shielded, or you have a dual shield, which you have to run gas with. Other things you may have heard is TIG welding. TIG welding is, when it's broken down, it's going to be tungsten inert gas. Other than that, you have like sub-arc welding, or SAW is going to be another one of the acronyms you may have heard. You may wonder what it is, but that's kind of the basic ones that you'll probably wind up hearing, wonder what it is, don't know. Well, they're all kind of in a nutshell.